SEO really comes down to three foundations, and those three foundations haven't really changed in a decade. How you apply certain things has, but the foundation hasn't changed, and that is level one, have a good site, a good technical foundation that works. It's fast, it works great on mobile devices, it's clean, it's simple, it's easy to navigate, just a good base technical foundation. With that in place, the only other two elements of SEO you need to worry about is content and links. That's it. Content that matches your audience intentions. So if you're an e-commerce site, you might want to put buyer's guides, or you might want to create content that starts with like how to do this, what is this, that all tie back into your product line or service or whatever it is that you offer as a business. That's a content element of it. And then the third element is link building. And for those that don't understand link building, it's essentially a rigged election. One website links to another. That tells Google this website's important because this website's voting for it. However, not all votes are equal. A vote from the New York Times is worth way more than a vote from me. Okay, so why I say it's a rigged election is because we can create links, we can create votes, and it's important that we do that in the right way, but we'll cover that. So they're the three parts: good technical foundation,